Do you want to know how you can get discounts on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get discounts on your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar or just go to temu.com. Now log into your account. After you log into your account, you can scroll a bit down and you can see some of the lightning deals. You can see that it is a lot of discount available over here. You can see that for £53 it has been deducted and it is for £6.77 and you can buy these. So go ahead and click on the item which you want to buy. You can see that all of these are discounted and you can add it to cart. So go ahead and add some of the items to the basket or your cart. After you choose your color of choice, you can see that there is option of these. So go ahead and click add to cart and you can see there are a lot of options over here as well. So you can click on add to cart over here and you can click checkout, which is over here. And you can see there is option of payment as well, and you can also see that you can apply the discount codes or promo codes to your account and you can see that your discount will be applied. So this is how you apply discount or how you can discount your items on Temu. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.